Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial on how you are going to add a forum activity in your Moodle course page. From your course page, click Actions menu and click Turn Editing on. Select the section where you'd like to put the forum activity and click Add an activity or resource. The Add an activity or resource window will be displayed. Select the forum and click Add button. The forum activity page settings will be displayed. Supply the forum name. You may click the Expand All in order for you to see the settings of each sections. On the description, you may put here the description of the forum or your instructions to your participants or students in the course. On forum type, you may select a single simple discussion. Each person posts one discussion, Q&A forum, standard forum displayed in a blog-like format, or a standard forum for general use. So I will select the default. On availability section, you may select the date for the due date and the cutoff date by enabling the checkbox and select the date that you want for the due date and the time. The same with the cutoff date. If you want the forum to be open all the time, you may just leave the due date disabled. For attachments and word count, maximum attachment size by default is 500 KB. You may choose any size here for your maximum attachment size. Maximum number of attachments. The default is 9, but you may increase or decrease the maximum number of attachments. If you want to display the display word count, you may click yes or you may just choose the default, which is no. For subscription tracking or subscription and tracking rather, subscription mode by default is optional subscription, but you may also choose forced subscription, auto subscription, and subscription disabled. For the read tracking, you may select optional or off. If turned off, you will not be able to read the history of the forum. For optional, it enables you to view the forum history or the thread of the forum. For discussion locking, lock discussions after period of inactivity by default is do not lock discussions or after 1 day or 1 week or 2 weeks depending on when do you want to lock the discussion. For the post threshold for blocking, time period for blocking by default is don't block, but you can also choose here if 1 day or 2 days and others. For grade, we have no other settings from here, so let's move on to the ratings. Under ratings, role permission rate. So by default, it's capability check not available until activity is saved. For the aggregate type, you may choose no ratings or you may choose average of ratings, count of ratings, maximum, minimum, and sum of ratings. So this means that you are grading the forum post. For the common module settings, Availability by default, show on course page. So let's skip the ID number, and the group mode, no groups for now. We don't have restrict access, or we have no other settings for the restrict access. And for the activity completion, just select show activity as complete when conditions are met. So require view is by default checked. If it requires grade, you can check it. If you will require each student or participant to post in the forum, you may set it here. And the number of posts they are required to do. Require discussion, you may check. Require replies, you may also check. We don't have any more settings to do, so just click save and return to the course. After saving the forum settings, you may now view your forum. And as you can see here, this is the forum name that we have, or that I have supplied in the settings and this instruction, and then I can add a new topic to discuss. For example, the subject is Moodle, and then what is Moodle? And then post to forum. So I have here the discussion, which is all about Moodle. I've started the discussion and there are no replies yet. You can see the replies here, and this is clickable. If you have a reply, you can click on here to go directly to the forum board. And then you will be able to see here the last post, who posted it, their image and the name of the participant, the time and date they've last posted. So that's all for the forum. I hope you can create your own forum on your Moodle course page. That's all. Thank you.